I will talk about how can you enable order updates notifications on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on your down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Go above settings, click on it. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. You come here to order updates, click here on edit here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click in this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. Then you can enable it here too for email. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.